Hey YouTube, it's Zanae here on the throne. Star Angels, it's your girl Zanae Simone, and I'm back again today with another video. So in this video, I wanted to do a makeup tutorial, but this is just actually gonna be watch me do my makeup. So I'm just beating my face a little quick natural beat. This video will be a voiceover, so let's just get into this beat. So right here in this clip, I already did my eyebrows. As you can see, I got them all concealed. So I'm just going to put my Fenty foundation and blend it in with the beauty blender. As you can see, I'm using the flat end to blend in my foundation, and I use the pointy side of the beauty blender to conceal. I got it on. So I'm jamming, listening to my music as I blend until I feel like everything is coming together, and then I move. Okay, but do y'all see how that foundation is blended? So like, get into it. Like, yes, it's looking all smooth. I'm looking toned. Like, yes, honey. Yes, Fenty Beauty. Now we are going to highlight and conceal. I'm going to start by putting it underneath my eye, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, right underneath my nose, and on my forehead. These are my highlighted areas. I love, this is like my favorite part of the makeup. I am using NARS in the color Caramel. So I let the highlight area sit for a little bit before I start blending it in. I take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in a darker color so I can shape my face. I'm going to put it from my ear, and I stop right underneath that highlighted area. I don't let it go all the way down. And then I trace from underneath my eyebrows down the side of my nose on both sides, so we can create a nice shape there. Alright, so now it's time to blend. I spray some setting spray on my beauty blender and I get the blending. Now y'all, blending takes forever, so it's really important to make sure that you make sure everything is blended in, because even when you think it's blended, it's not. So before I'm done, sometimes I even do like a photo check, like I try to do a flash check and everything. So we're gonna blend. Happy blending. My face is highlighted and concealed. I'm going to set my face by spraying my face with my setting spray and using my setting powder. Now for the setting powder, all I'm going to do is go over the same places where I highlighted with my NARS concealer and let it sit for about 5 minutes. So as I bake my face, as they say in the makeup world, I'm going to just prep my eyes for my lashes by applying mascara. So now I'm going to take off the setting powder with a powdered foundation to leave this nice, neutral, soft, natural beat. did I mention I wasn't a makeup artist? I just started doing makeup this year, y'all. So excuse the mess. But now it's time to apply this eyeliner. I'm just going to simply go across my eye. This eyeliner is from Sephora. Okay, so now it's time to apply some eyeshadow. So I'm going to conceal my eyes with the same NARS concealer, and then I'm going to blend it in and then apply my eyeshadow. Here you're just gonna see me just going over my eyebrows, and that's okay. Your eyebrows are not gonna be perfect. You're just gonna perfect it as you go. So I'm a bit handy when it comes to applying my lashes. I use my hands, I don't use tweezers. I also use Duo, the white color, and it dries clear. Do y'all see that beat though? Like that glow. So y'all, I'm just gonna apply my blush. As you can see, to get the best results, you have to smile so you can get them high cheekbones like so. Stages, I'm going to apply some lip liner, and then I'm going to put some nude light pink lip color. I'm a freestyler. I just kind of go with what I'm feeling and kind of with what outfit I'm going to wear for the day. Strength and Moisture Rich Pomade, thick and coarse hair. I feel like this edge control is one of the very few edge controls that actually work on a really hot and humid day. It doesn't really, no edge control does anything for me. Even if I squeeze a hole, it just doesn't work out. So right now I'm about to do my edges. I feel like your edges is very essential to what type of look you want to go for. If you want to go for a super natural, then I recommend do not doing your lashes. Some days I really do not care. I'm out here with my P's and all. So it depends on what look you're going for. Today I want to be sleek and cute. So I'm gonna give them just that. I know I'm not the only one that have a hard time doing my left side. Okay, that's what my edges is giving for right now. I'm gonna take out my hair with the Double Buttercream Rich Daily Moisture from As I Am. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like makeup tutorials and stuff like that from me on my channel, make sure you guys be sure to comment below, and I will make sure I will do more videos like so. Bye.